Ayan na.
May music yan.
I-connect ko.
Pakita mo kay Gilyar, gusto niya yan eh.
Ayan, Gilyar.
Hindi, nanalo ko niyan.
Ay, nanalo ka.
Sa Denmark ba?
Bakit Denmark ka?
Oo, basta kwento ko na lang mamaya.
Kasi may kinalihan akong online competition.
Nanalo ka doon?
Oo, yung sa Java. Ako yung nanalo. Week 15.
Lupit ah.
Oo, nakahabol ko pa yung sarili ko doon. 200 votes.
Ano, tingnan natin.
Number 1 siya, Gilyar.
Number 1 ako sa week na yun.
O, buksan mo nga, pakita mo sa amin.
Yung video mo.
Animal, tapos sinabi ko doon sa nagpadala.
Hindi ba, Lee?
Ano? Hindi ko na-receive.
There's always
Sinurprise
something
sila
else.
sa akin, sabihin mo.
Kasi sa amin ko pinadala ka.
Kailan yung na-receive to? Anong araw?
Nung palis na
Sama.
kami.
No?
Palis na kami.
Ay, palis na kayo, nung kapon.
Tama nga eh.
Ano kayo, Alex?
Oh? Anong araw? Nung araw, yung mismong araw na palis o? Palis na kami.
23, ano ba yung
Tapos dumating, tapos nakahanda na kayo, dumating.
Oo.
Oh. Hindi kami nakahanda. A day before kami alis.
Hindi, Raymond.
A day before, a day before.
Coremon!
Maganda to.
Oh, mas maganda ito sa amin. Tago mo.
Oy, alam nyo ba na? Subok niyo yung laptop ba? Alam nyo ba na ilang... Tanggalin nyo na yung sticker. Hindi nyo na kailangan yan. Usapan ni Raymond at Nining yan. Tanggalin nyo na yung mga sticker niyan.
Hindi ba napanalunan mo to?
Hindi. Ilang linggo namin pinag-usapan yan.
Ay,
Yan,
kailangan
brother, oh.
ko.
May kapatid na yung isa, oh. Oh, ito yung isang bilhin ni Raymond. Tapos isa na yung kakambal. Mahal na. Mahal. Yung kakambal niya. Tupit, no? Parang tele. Sira na. Sira na.
Ganyan, Raymond ito. Ganyan.
Kasi nga. Tama na. Okay. Okay, ito na yung Christmas namin. Pangit? Sa New Year naman. Bye-bye. Open. Faster.
I open.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I open.
Open it. Oh, what's that? Wow.
Open. Yes.
Yes? Another. Open that one.
Open that one. Yes, open you. Like that.
You're welcome, sunshine.
Wow, I told you so. Wow, it's a beautiful toy. You open. You open. Yes, you open again. You open the box. Do you know how to open? Okay.
Oh, pinakita ko na.
Like this, you open this one. You cannot open it. You cannot open it. You should open this one. That one like that. Oh! Wait. I will remove the...
What's this, sunshine?
That's my toy.
It's a dream house.
Wow, you have a dream house. Hindi, sliding door. Wow! Very nice door. You put here. You put the window like this one, okay?
Very nice house.
We're not finished yet. We're not finished.
Oh, you have a nice house. Okay, you put this inside, okay? Oh,
Here, you open.
open again.
I can see your house.
Okay, open everything, okay?
See how well.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Yay!
Oh, you put this one. What's this?
No, my canal.
Oh, this one. No, you put it here. Okay. There. Okay.
My house.
Okay.
Buksan ko yung gift, oh. Tingnan natin, oh. What's that?
Open?
Oh, nagre-ring yung phone ko. Suspense.
You open?
Ay, si ate. Ate. Oh, online na ako ito. Hindi namin nakita. Oh, sige. Okay. Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Si ate. Wow! Chocolate crunch, oh!
Okay.
Chocolate crunch! Ito yung pamangking ko, oh, tinitignan din. Wow! Wow!
What's that?
Yung chocolate biscuit. Maybe it's not a chocolate crunch. Open it. It's called a t-shirt. Wow! Something that I can wear. Oh, something that Raymond can wear again. Wow! Hindi chocolate yan. Oh, istorbo yung ano. Oh, ayan, oh. Wow! Nga, ito. Oh, si Raymond na naman magsusot nito. Wow! Very nice, ah! I can wear it. Oh, ayan. Thank you, Joy. Yeah!